in an aria. This is the bridge. I show you now the bridge. I can transform this vibration. Is where the sound starts. It's my baby sound. It's my embryo. Yes, in a vowel. And you learn to make messa di voce, and you learn to sing piano on high notes, and you feel, oh my God, if I would have known it 25 years ago, wouldn't it be beautiful? Well, I know it now. Nevertheless, better now than never, you understand? So with this suggestion, you can learn, if you want, to sing piano, and you can teach it to your students, and it functions. This is really very practical, and it will help you. So you can try it on every note. And for example, un soffio la mia voce, Adriana le couvreur, un soffio la mia you go in the siren, and then you transform it, for example, when you study it at home, of course, and you will see at once that this very difficult passage become possible. It's a beautiful thing. I mean, it's nice. Even if you have to sing it only in the shower, why not? Why shouldn't you be able to make these beautiful things?